So this was a very big year for you. You signed a number of huge contracts.
This is true. We did very well.
So what happened?
Well, I guess the longer version is about 5 years ago, we looked at our product offering and decided to rebuild our core offering for the government, start with a commercial product, which can be used in commercial and government, and revitalize our strategy of going to market.
Over the past 2 months, the stock price of Palantir has been fluctuating in the range of $13.94 to $20.24, with an average of $16.35. The stock price hit its highest point on August 1st, following the announcement of its partnership with Ferrari to boost performance and data capabilities. However, on June 26th, the stock price hit its lowest point after the company reported its first quarter earnings, indicating an 83% year-over-year increase in operating expenses. The stock price was also influenced by different events such as analyst ratings, purchases by ARK Invest, and market sentiment. Palantir is set to release its second quarter earnings on August 7th after the market closes, and industry experts predict that the company will show profits and revenue growth of 12.6%. Moreover, Palantir has raised its outlook for full-year adjusted free cash flow and confirmed its long-term revenue growth target. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. You should always research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. Palantir recently released its financial results for the fourth quarter, which had mixed performance. The company exceeded revenue expectations, with $433 million instead of the expected $418 million. However, they fell short of the expected earnings per share, reporting 2 cents instead of 4 cents. This has led to doubts about the company's ability to expand. Palantir sales rose by 34% compared to the previous year, reaching $433 million, and they have set a goal of achieving at least 30% annual sales growth until 2025. Some investors are worried that sales in the public sector are slowing down. Recently, Palantir has partnered with Jacobs to receive more assistance to build its infrastructure in the national security industry. Palantir's market valuation is currently around $24 billion, with an estimated adjusted earnings multiple of 59 and an expected sales multiple of 11.8 following recent sell-offs. Despite a significant drop in stock price over the past year, the company's valuation still depends on growth. This means that the stock is likely to be volatile in the near future, but analysts view it as a good long-term investment opportunity. Since the quarterly results were announced, the stock has been volatile during trading hours, affected by market sell-offs and recent corrections. Tech stocks with high valuations tend to be impacted by macroeconomic factors during sell-offs. There has been a lot of news surrounding Palantir lately. Shyam Sankar, Palantir's CTO and EVP, sold almost 2 million company shares for over $39 million. However, he still owns over 2 million shares, which he disclosed to the SEC. Palantir has renewed its partnership with Westrac Proprietary Ltd, a provider of heavy mobile equipment and services to the Australian mining and construction sectors. The partnership will last 5 years, and the companies will utilize Palantir's Foundry platform to enhance their efficiency and customer delivery in their core operations. Palantir's second quarter results were released on August 7th after the market closed. Analysts predict that Palantir will report a profit and a revenue growth of 12.6%. These recent developments may have an impact on Palantir's stock price and performance in the near future. Palantir has reported impressive Q2 results, surpassing analysts' expectations for both revenue and earnings per share. Here are the key highlights. Total revenue increased by 49% year-over-year, reaching $376 million. U.S. commercial revenue grew by 90% year-over-year. 62 deals of $1 million or more were closed, with 30 deals being $5 million or more and 21 being $10 million or more. 20 net new customers were added in Q2 2023, and the total number of customers increased by 13% quarter-over-quarter. Commercial customer count increased 32% quarter-over-quarter. Operations cash flow was $23 million, representing a 6% margin. Adjusted free cash flow was $50 million, representing a 13% margin. GAAP net loss per share, diluted of 7 cents. Adjusted earnings per share, diluted of 4 cents. Palantir has also raised its full-year adjusted free cash flow outlook to more than $300 million, up from more than $150 million, and affirmed its expectation of annual revenue growth of 30% or greater through 2025. Palantir's strengths lie in its early leadership in the AI platform market, which is expected to grow rapidly in the coming years. The company has already mined the AI opportunity with government customers for intelligence gathering, counterterrorism, and military purposes. Palantir's new product, Artificial Intelligence Platform, AIP, has been well received by clients, with the demand for AIP described as unprecedented. Palantir is on track to double its commercial customer base by the end of the year. Palantir is known for its loyal and recurring customer base, which helps generate high-margin revenue. In the second quarter, the company signed 30 deals worth $5 million and 21 deals worth $10 million or more. Palantir's balance sheet is impressive, with no debt and $2.3 billion in cash as of March 31st. Palantir's net dollar retention rate, which measures customer satisfaction, is more than 100%. In 2023, the company's net dollar retention rate reached 115%, contributing to a 24% revenue growth last year. Analysts predict that Palantir's stock price could reach $100 by 2030 if it continues to grow at its current rate. However, the company faces challenges, including competition from other AI companies like OpenAI, IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Some analysts also claim that Palantir may be overvalued, trading at a forward P/E ratio of 374 and a high price-to-sales ratio of 20. Palantir has a controversial reputation due to its involvement in secretive projects and has faced criticism and lawsuits for alleged human rights violations, privacy breaches, and unethical practices. The company's governance structure also allows its co-founders, Alex Karp and Peter Thiel, long-term control through supervoting rights. Now, Wall Street experts have taken notice of Palantir Technologies' involvement in the AI revolution. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives has a positive outlook for the company, giving it an outperform rating and a $25 price target. He even compared Palantir to famous soccer player Lionel Messi, calling it the Messi of AI. Ives believes Palantir has a unique opportunity to capture a significant share of the $800 billion TAM in AI, with endless AI applications that can transform business processes across various industries. He sees Palantir as a significant player in the AI revolution, with an unparalleled AI stronghold over the next decade. However, Ives' bullish view of Palantir Technologies is for the long term, and he has set a realistic price goal of $25 for Palantir stock in the short term. As with any investment decision, conducting thorough research and analysis is crucial before making any investments. Focusing on the facts and fundamentals is essential rather than being swayed by hype or fear, as investing is a long-term game. An analyst named Brian White is uncertain about Palantir stock, as he has a neutral stance on it without a specific price target. He expects Palantir to report a Q2 revenue estimate of $540.7 million, higher than the Street's estimate of $532.7 million. The estimated year-over-year growth is 14%, lower than 18% in plate_number_2 and 26% in the same period last year. White predicts an operating profit of $125.4 million, with an EPS forecast of 5 cents, which matches the consensus. Palantir expects Q2 revenue to be between $528 to $532 million, with an adjusted income from operations of $118 to $122 million. The growth for Palantir's government segment has slowed down over the past 2 quarters, but it still outperforms the commercial segment. White expects the U.S. market to continue outperforming in the future. For Q3, White predicts revenue of $563.9 million, an 18% year-over-year increase, with an EPS forecast of 5 cents, the same as the consensus. Most analysts currently rate the stock as a hold, with a downside of approximately 26% over the next year based on the $13.50 average target. Palantir stock shows promise and potential, but you must make informed decisions by thoroughly researching the company's performance, strategy, and market conditions. Investing in stocks carries inherent risks, and each individual's financial situation and risk tolerance should be carefully considered. So, will Palantir stock soar higher after the August 7th earnings report? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you want to see our predictions for the Palantir stock, check it out in this next video.